Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your OCBC credit card. There are two different ways you can cancel your OCBC credit card. The first way is by visiting any OCBC branch near you, bring a valid form of ID and your credit card, and speak with a customer service representative and request to cancel your credit card. So another way you can cancel your credit card is by phone call. Open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in ocbc.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official web page of OCBC Bank. From the main home page, scroll all the way down and you will be provided with a list of phone numbers under Contact Us. Select your region from the bottom of the screen, and according to the region selected, you will be able to see contact numbers. Go ahead and select a contact number in order to speak to a customer service representative according to your banking type and address, and then speak to a customer service representative on the hotline and request about canceling your credit card. You must be prepared to answer questions about your account and the reason for cancellation. So that was how you will be able to cancel your credit card for OCBC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.